I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Activating a SIM with E is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Insert the SIM card. Take your new eSIM card and insert it into your phone. Make sure your phone is powered off before doing this to avoid any issues. Step 2. Power on your device. Turn your phone back on after inserting the SIM. Wait for it to boot up completely. This will allow your device to recognize the new SIM card. Step 3. Connect to the network. Once your phone is on, it should automatically connect to the E network. If it doesn't, go to the settings and select the E network manually. Step 4. Activate online. Visit the E activation page on your browser. Enter the required details like your SIM number and personal information to complete the activation process. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After submitting your details, you should receive a confirmation message via SMS or email. If you don't, try restarting your phone or checking your network settings. If you run into any trouble, don't hesitate to contact E customer support for assistance. Good luck with your new SIM.